Another LS back on the dyno today here at Springy Performance. I'm here with Jay. You've got your, this is the Series 2, yeah?
Yeah, Series 2,
Maloo.
Yep.
So these are a factory LSA car?
Factory LSA, yep, that's correct.
When HSV were just dumping LSAs in
yeah,
every car they were
in
selling,
everything basically.
Yeah. This looks like you've done some subtle changes in a nice way, like you haven't gone over the top. Like you were just saying, you've still got a 20-inch wheel on it.
Yeah, that's correct. So when I purchased it, it came on 22-inch wheels, the Walkinshaw wheels.
Yeah.
But I've changed them to the 20-inch wheels, so it just rides a lot better on the road.
Yeah.
Yep. So it's 9.5-inch wheels all around, and 275-inch tyres all around as well.
Oh,
so
you haven't got a were these a staggered fit?
Previously
standard?
on the previous setup they were staggered.
Yeah, staggered.
It had a 11-inch rear with a 9.5 front.
11 on the back. That's
yeah,
a big
it was
wheel.
massive.
Yeah.
But the tyres were a 275 still, so it tucked under the guard real nice.
Okay.
Changed the tyres to a 305 and it was way too big.
Yeah, was it rubbing and stuff? Or?
Just rubs all the way on the guard, yeah. So I opted for a smaller tyre combination just to keep it moving.
It's amazing though to think about that you could stuff a 305 under a factory guard.
It's incredible, but if I was going to continue it, I should have lifted the rear.
Yeah,
that's the only issue. So, but otherwise I couldn't drive it. Yeah, so, yeah.
So the most noticeable, obviously, difference is the custom bonnet.
Yeah, the custom bonnet, yeah. So that was done by Blitz, I think, fiberglass in Sunshine. So that was made for the car using the factory shape. It's got, obviously, the paint and the nitrate as well.
Yeah.
So it's a good feature for the black and the silver.
The silver looks great on this, on the VFs, doesn't it? With the black highlights.
Yeah, there's so many black accents on it as well, like the mirrors, the front lip and the front bar as well.
Well, you've got a bit of a, is that a stereo in there, upgrade?
Yeah, we put a 9-inch Pioneer unit with some upgraded speakers.
A manual gearbox too.
Yeah, 6-speed manual,
nice.
twin plate clutch.
Yep.
So it hauls ass when it needs to, but does a school run when it needs to as well.
Doesn't look like it goes to too many work sites, mate.
No, it does sometimes, but I've actually got the baby seat just in the tray because I did a school run yesterday for the kids, so.
Have you done much to it in terms of performance or
so it's a built LSA motor.
Yeah. So I think from memory, the black tops are slightly less power rated out of the factory.
Yeah, so the factory is 400 kilowatts compared to the GTS, which is 430.
Yeah. So you're just saying it's a standard, it's a rebuilt
LSA motor.
Still 6.2 capacity? Or?
Yeah, 6.2 capacity, yep. It's got a VCM 16 cam, Higgins race heads, ARP bolts and studs all around, lid spacer and the 12-pound pulley, and a 15% underdrive kit as well. So a couple of bits and pieces to support it all, but it makes a good amount of power.
Yeah.
It drives well on the road. And
do you run it on pump unleaded or?
It's Sol 98. Yeah, it's not a flex fuel at all. So it does the job when it needs to and carries the tools when it needs to as well. So.
No, it looks good. I like you've done some subtle mods on the outside to tell it's not standard, but it doesn't look over the top.
Not standard, but it's not stock either, you know.
And I was just saying earlier, I love your number plates.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. It definitely represents what it sounds like. So.
Oh, we'll get it on the dyno. I'm just guessing it might make 450, maybe.
Should we keep it as a guess, or what do you want to do?
No, I'll see how it goes because I don't like. It's silly comparing dyno numbers.
Yeah.
You know, different workshops, different dynos.
Yep.
We were just saying earlier, a few basic mods on these LSAs and they just come alive.
Oh, it's unreal. Yeah, it's unreal. Look, it's
they're really detuned from the factory in a way. Like
I mean, look, there's so much potential for them, which is great for the aftermarket community.
It is, yeah.
But I think it's just one of those things. It's like it's such a great base platform that you can either enjoy it as it is, or you can go nuts.
Yeah.
No, it's a fun car, man. You know, I haven't been in an LS since I hadn't had one for about 5 years until we got this. So it's as soon as we picked it up, we're just like straight into it again.
What made you go the Ute over the?
We actually bought it for my wife, funnily enough, for tax purposes. Yeah. We both work on the rail, and we wanted to get her a car that she could claim on tax.
Yeah.
So we chose this of all types of cars. Yeah.
Why not?
So and because it's technically a commercial utility, for tax it's perfect.
What exhaust have you got on this?
So one and 7/8 inch extractors, X-Force, and then 3-inch dual all the way through to the back. Yeah. All X-Force with the butterfly valves in the rear.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
They're so much louder with the set of pipes, headers on them.
Oh man, it's unreal.
You put a cap back on them and it doesn't do heaps.
I wouldn't say it satisfies the sound, but for some people, they're happy just with a little bit of a rumble.
Yeah, true.
But when this is on song, like it's just, you can't compare it.
No. So just before you ran this up, mate, I said it would make 450.
Yeah, okay,
I wasn't too far off. It made like 430.
Yeah, it wasn't too far off.
But I think it's running a little bit rich.
Yep.
You were saying you've never actually had this dyno.
Yeah, I've never had a dyno. We just bought it as it is.
Yeah.
And we were told it runs mid fives. So obviously, you know, we'll just get it cleaned up and get another tune on it, and see how it goes next time.
Yeah. Hey, there's nothing E85 can't fix.
Yeah, look, I might have to consider a flex fuel option now. Yeah, chasing big numbers.
These make ample power on 98 anyway, so.
Yeah, look, it just...
Like you said, if you live out in the country and you're doing kilometres...
that's all it is, mate. Just jumps on the highway and just a cruiser as well.
Unleaded probably makes more sense, doesn't it?
Yeah, you don't get E85 where we are, unfortunately.
Don't forget to order your track merchandise. We've got an awesome new 25 years of full boost. Yes, that's right, 25 years we've been doing this. Old school boost gauge. We've got these in t-shirts and hoodies, so get on it at shop.fullboost.com.au.